Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make Brave browser open Google on a new tab. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Click on it and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize how Brave works for you. Once you're in the settings panel, navigate to the section labeled New Tab Page Shows. Right beside it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Homepage from the available options. This step is important because it tells Brave what content to display whenever you open a new tab, directing it to show your homepage instead of the default New Tab page. Now, look at the left panel of your settings screen. You'll see several menu options listed vertically. Click on Appearance. This section controls how your browser looks and behaves visually, including what appears when you interact with tabs and the interface. In the Appearance settings, look for an option that says Show Home button. Once you find it, toggle this option on. Enabling the Home button is essential because it allows you to quickly return to your homepage with a single click, and it also activates the field where you can specify which site should load as your homepage. After toggling that on, you'll see a designated field appear where you can enter a URL. In this field, type google.com. This sets Google as your homepage, which means every time you open a new tab in Brave, Google will load automatically, giving you instant access to search and Google services. And that's it. You've successfully configured Brave browser to open Google on every new tab. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.